hit me with the move. Wanna give you my love. Get it right now. Ain't no talking. I wanna show you love.
Hey, what up, y'all? It's your girl Stylicon, and I'm back at it again with another review. So today I'm gonna be reviewing the Organique Mastermix 4-piece deep part 5-inch closure shake and go. Okay, I'm just gonna do a quick weave, review it, and see what the hype is about on this unit bundle stuff. If you want to know how I got this eyeshadow look, there will be a pictorial up on my Instagram on this exact same eyeshadow look. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe. And yeah, guys, if you want to see how I slayed this, or you want to see the review on this, then keep watching. Like I said, this is the Organique Mastermix 4-piece 5-inch deep part closure with the 18-inch, 20-inch, and a 22-inch bundle. Now, this is not a 5x5 closure part. It's just a 5-inch part. So what I'm showing you here is that I'm just pinning down the closure, getting ready to sew it on. I didn't want to glue it on because I didn't want the closure to be moving while I'm combing it or anything. So yes, I'm just showing you that I'm sewing it on with a needle and thread like regular, like how you would do with any other unit.
All this money, it don't have no meaning. I want you, I'm all in my feelings, yeah. You different, fucking you feel like an achievement. Baby, can we come to an agreement? Promise that you'll never leave me, and I'll never cheat. Why? They cannot see why.
So I thought I was gonna sew this on, but I decided to glue it on because it's faster. I don't have time to be sewing. But it did take me a while to glue it on anyways because I had to dry the glue. But yeah, I'm just taking hair glue and I'm putting it on the weft, and then I'm just going to glue the weft straight onto the wig cap. Just make sure that when you're doing this that you put a plastic bag over the mannequin head because the glue will seep through the cap.
My back, said he wanna be my baby. Yeah, ask him if he dumb, nigga, you crazy. Bad bitch, she the bomb, take safety. I can be a lady like being single, I ain't complaining sometimes.
So once you get to the end of one side, you just wanna pin that down, flip it over, and just keep going back and forth with the glue and the weft. Glue and the weft, drying it, blow drying it, however way you want to do it. And just keep going around and around until you get all the way to the top.
I ain't got no baby, why? To sleep by my side, want a man for
My
the night.
why? They cannot see why. Can't leave you behind. And it costs to be a boss, but I cannot break you off. My baby, why? They cannot see why. Can't leave you behind. And it costs to be a boss, but I cannot break you off. Yeah.
So as I got closer to the top, I started going around in a circle, like in a semicircle kind of way. And I started gluing closer and closer to the closure so that I didn't run out of hair, because I was running out of hair at this point. So I made sure I just glued closer and closer to that in a semicircle just to fit around the closure shape. And of course I did the flip over method as I was still this close. And then once I got like a centimeter or less than an inch away, I glued the weft right under the closure. I didn't put it on the closure.
My baby, why? They cannot see why. Can't leave you behind. And it costs to be a boss, but I cannot break you off. My baby, why? They cannot see why. Can't leave you behind. And it costs to be a boss, but I cannot break you off. Yeah, too much on my plate. Chubby nigga, I want a cake. Working on my body, losing weight. But I go to Rutgers for the stage. I got pissed down.
Can we take time to admire this beautiful eyeshadow?
Wasn't doing good in school, was a class clown. Knew that I won't make it, never had doubts. I'm driving, yeah, I'm speeding. Till you left, no it's...
Okay guys, so this is how she came out. First things first, I just want to say that I'm feeling the hell out of this. Like, look at her. Like, yes, sis, listen, okay? She has a lot of body, a lot of luster, some shine. I didn't straighten her either. She is bone straight. So yes, my first impressions. So straight out of the pack, she was smooth, she was silky. I didn't get any tangles or anything, like straight out of the bag. It took me like an hour to actually glue the wefts onto the cap. I don't even have her glued down. Like, she's calm. I did have to, you know, put some foundation up in there to blend the part a little bit, but that's fine. That's fine. Okay, so tangles. I didn't get any tangles when I first took her out of the pack, but when I put her together and now that I'm moving and stuff, like, there's a little snag here and there, which is okay. Like, synthetic, like, of course it's gonna be a little snag, but it's not as bad as I thought it would be. Mind you, I bought this for $20, so, or less than $20, because shipping was $3. So I bought this for less than $20. So for less than $20, sis is good. Like, listen. Shedding. So when I did brush her out with my brush, like, I don't know if you can see, but there's a few strands of hair that came out. That could have been from me when I cut the wefts. That could have been from that. But other than that, running my hands through it, running my fingers through it, I'm not catching any shedding. I do have like a piece of hair that just keeps getting caught on my lip gloss. Okay. Like, I don't know if you can see, but there's a few snags here and there. But look at her. Look at the ends. The ends are pretty good. She is good. 5-inch closure. It laid pretty flat. I did not put any heat to her as yet. I felt like she didn't need it, but she is sitting down really well. She has some shine. I didn't put any oil on her. Next thing you know, she was too shiny. But yeah, these bundles are popping. Like, I can see myself wearing this going out somewhere. I can. These bundles are popping. Like, so yeah, let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe. And yeah, so yeah guys, thank you for watching. Bye.
My baby, why?